Whizz Europa is a research and development center researching only on the topic passion. It had started journey from Europe and has gone a long way in helping people to solve the biggest issue, which is lack of passion. People nowadays are not happy because they're not spending quality time on their passion. We believe in passionate people. We're helping them pursue their passion and make them happy. In this mission, we are not alone. Whizz Europa is a platform where anyone can be part of it and make an impact in the world. Our services are passion development programs in schools for the age group between 13 to 17 years, study in Europe for your passion zone areas for the age group between 17 to 25 years, regular job workshop, corporate training for building passionate employees for age group between 25 to 65 years, an online platform which will help every age group to pursue their passion for the age group between 2 to 90 years.
All the best with Europa.
All the best with Europa.
All the best with Europa.
All the best to Whizz Europa.
All the best wishes with Europa.
All the best to Whizz Europa.
All the best with Europa.
I wish good luck to Whizz Europa.